Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today's video I will be showing you how I created this brown tone eye makeup look. And we're gonna try also different kind of lip shade with this multi-lip crayon matte from the brand MeMe. So if you wanna know what shade from this lip matte crayon goes well with this eye makeup, please keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm gonna just spray some mist. This is from Looks Organic Beauty Mist by Unported. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my primer. This is from Essence Prime Plus Studio Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. If you don't have primer, you can use your daily moisturizer as your makeup base. I use primer because it smoothens the surface of my skin and it helps the foundation not to sit in on my pores, and it also blurs out some of my skin imperfection, and it helps my foundation or makeup stay all day long. Okay, so for my foundation, I'll be using this same foundation. This is the same Mold Airy Cotton Foundation in the shade Natural Beige. It has SPF 30, PA++, UV protection, plus whitening, plus anti-wrinkle functional cosmetics. I like this foundation because it smoothly covers skin blemishes and it is very light and buildable. Okay, so for my eyebrows, I'll be using this eyebrow pencil from the brand Eyeshadow. This is in the shade dark brown. For my eyebrows, I just want to keep it natural and bushy. So what I always do is shape that with some eyebrow pencil or pomade, and then fill that with some light shade of eyebrow pencil, and sometimes I also apply some brow mascara. Okay, so for the concealer, I'll be using this Cover Perfection Pat Concealer from the brand The Same. So this is in the shade Clear Beige. I'm gonna use this also as my eyeshadow base. If you have eyeshadow primer, you can use that instead of a concealer as your eyeshadow base. For me, I have a dry skin type, and I observe that using concealer as my eyeshadow base keeps my eye makeup stay more longer. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with this My Skin Perfector Loose Fixing Powder from the brand Essence. So for my eyeshadow, I'll be using this Wasli Bangkok eyeshadow palette from the brand Essence, and for my transition shade, I'll be using this shade. And I'm gonna take this shade, it's like a reddish shade, and I'm gonna build that on my crease. Okay, so we're gonna start first on the edge. And then slightly drag that in the inner corner. I'm gonna take a clean brush and blend all the edges. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this dark brown and apply that in the outer V corner of my eyes. So I'm just gonna use the brush that I use to apply for my transition shade to blend all the edges. Okay, so to bring back the intensity, we're gonna apply one more layer of this brown shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this light shade and apply this in the lower lid of my eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a clean brush and blend all the edges to make it look light. Okay, so before I finish my eye makeup, I'm just gonna wipe all the powder on my under eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some powder on my face, and I'm still using this Essence My Skin Perfector Loose Fixing Powder. Okay, so for my contour, I'll be using this Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin Shading Contour Palette. Okay, so to tighten my lower and upper lash line, I'll be using this MeMe Cosmetic na Stay Put eyeliner. This is in the shade 01 After Dark. For my mascara, I'll be using this Essence High Beauty Vegan Volume Mascara. Okay, so before I apply mascara on my lower lashes, I'm just gonna apply all the shades of the eyeshadow I use on my eyes on my lower lash line. Okay, so I just put my lashes and apply some mascara on my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna apply some blush on, and I'll be using this Mineral Power Blush from the brand Maybelline. Okay, so for my highlighter, I'll be using this Luminous Multi Highlighter from the brand The Same. Okay, so we are almost finished, and this is the exciting part because I will be trying this multi-lip crayon matte from the brand MeMe. So this is in the shade 03 Rose on my lips. And I'm gonna start with the lightest shade. So we're gonna try first the warm rose shade. Okay, so this is the shade Warm Rose when applied on the lips. Okay, so the next shade is this Wishful Rose. So this is how it looks like, the lipstick. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the second shade, Wishful Rose, when applied on the lips. Okay, so third shade, this is Classic Rose. So this is the shade. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the number 3 shade on the lip crayon, Classic Rose, when applied on the lips. We are now on the last shade. This is the Intense Rose. Okay, so this is how it looks like, this Intense Rose shade when applied on the lips. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna stick on this shade on my lips. This is the Intense Rose. Well, all the shades from this lip matte crayon is all pigmented, very nice and easy to glide, but so far this is my favorite shade and the first one. So that's it for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!